Johnson bandsaw cutting the old railroad ties. I don't have a chip pan on this one or a coolant tank, but I just spraying some dark cutting oil on it on occasion. Getting a little nervous about when we get cutting this full width here. I don't know if I'm going to video it, but she's just working away, the old Johnson. Definitely need to get a new idler here that doesn't spin. I just spray a little oil on it. This back one here does work for those of you that are familiar with this. It's actually just cutting that though. I mean, we're about halfway into it or close to it.